Linking your bank account to Gate.io is an essential step for trading and managing your funds effectively. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Gate.io website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Log in. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the wallet section. After logging in, go to the wallet section of your account. This is usually found in the main menu. Here, you will find options related to deposits and withdrawals. Step 4. Select bank account linking. Look for the option to link a bank account. This may be labeled as Add Bank Account or Bank Account Settings. Click on it to begin the linking process. Step 5. Enter bank details. Fill in your bank account information as prompted. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Review the information for accuracy and submit it for verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be linked to your Gate.io account. Make sure to check for any confirmation emails or notifications regarding the linking process.